Good morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. My dear students, your revision classes are going on. I think all of you are busy in revision class. Your examination is very near. Most probably it will be started from 16th of September. So syllabus is completed. Now all the teachers are busy in revision class. Myself Vanita also here for your maths revision class. So be ready for it. Take out your notebook and start your work according to the practice set. My dear students, already I have completed the multiplication chapter. Once again, I am going to recap this chapter. So let's start. As you know, multiplicand, multiplier and the product. When you multiply multiplicand and multiplier, then you are getting the product. Here also written the number to be multiplied is multiplicand, the number by which we multiply, that is the multiplier, and the answer we get after multiplication is said to be the product. In this way we solve the multiplication. Now, in this slide, we will see about the process of multiplication. How multiplication can be done. How it is solved. So, here example is given. Multiply 2135 by 327. First, you arrange it according to the place value. Here, 2135, write it into according to the place. Then next is 327. By multiply this one by 327. So your step first 2135 will be multiplied by 7 and here your answer is 14,945. Then you multiply 2135 by 2 and you are getting here 42,700. And in step 3 you are multiplying 2135 by 3 and you are getting here 6,40,500. And in the last you will have to add the whole. Step 1, step 2 and step 3 will be added. Then you will get the step 4. So here product of step first, product of step 2 and product of step 3 will be added. And after adding we are getting here 6,98,145. So the final answer is 6,98,145. In this way, you can solve the multiply of whatever digit we have to multiply. By this process, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. In this way, we will solve it. Now, next, properties of multiplication. First property, if the order of number in multiplication sum is changed, the product remains the same. In the example here we are saying 7 multiplied by 3, that is 21. If we change the order, if 3 is written here and 7 is written here, its order has been changed, but there is no change in the product. Same product is here. So this is the property. If we change the number in multiplication, the sum is changed, the product remains the same. My dear students, your property number 2. If the grouping of numbers in the multiplication is changed, the product remains the same. Suppose you are multiplying 2 into 5 into 8 and you are changing your second order 5 into 2 into 8, third order 8 into 2 into 5, fourth order 2 into 8 into 5, fifth order 5 into 8 into 2 and in sixth order 8 into 5 into 2. It means grouping of number is going to be changed, but there is no change in the product. All the products are same. So you can conclude in this way, product remains same on changing order of multiplication. Now, property number 3. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Suppose here when you multiply 7 into 1, the number is itself 7. 21 into 1, the number is itself 21. Next property 4. If a number is multiplied by a 0, then product will be 0. If any number it will be multiplied by 0, you are getting the 0. These all are about the properties of multiplications. Now, so many sums each based on this property. In further slide, you have to solve it. My dear students, next one topic is the word problems. So multiplication is completed. Now we are going to start the word problems. First, you see the example. In a library, there are 1250 books. In each almirah, there are 62 almirahs in the library. Find the total number of books in the library. First, you have to write down the number of books in each almirah, that is 1250. Now, number of almirah, that is 62. So, the total number of books in 62 almirah, 1250 will be multiplied by 62. Again, first step, you 1250 will be multiplied by 2 and we are getting here 2500. In the second step, 1250 will be multiplied by 6 and we are getting here 75,000. Now you add step 1, step 2 and here after adding we are getting 77,500. So you can see that the number of books in 62 almirah is 77,500. So first students, keep it in your mind. These all are the statements and this is the process. Both the with statement and with process, you have to solve the problem sums. Keep it in your mind. No, not only the process and not only the statement. Both is necessary for the problem sums. Children, your next example is Rajat saves rupees 350 in every month. How much money can he save in 12 months and in 4 years? So first, money saved by Rajat in one month is 350 and money saved in 12 months. So 350 will be multiplied by 12. So your first step is 700. Second step is 3500. Now you add the both step and you are getting here rupees 4200. So you can write here Rajat saves rupees 4200 in 12 months. Next question. In 4 years, as we know, 1 year equal to 12 months. So in 1 year, Rajat saves rupees 4200. So in money saved in 4 years, so 4200 will be multiplied by 4 and your final answer is 16,800. So you can say that in 4 years Rajat saves rupees 16,800. Now your next. A cartoon holds 24 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 12 biscuits. How many biscuits can be packed in 45 cartoons? You can say that in one cartoon we can pack 24 into 12 biscuits and there are 45 cartoons. So we can pack 12 in 24 into 12 into 45. So first you multiply 24 into 12 and you are getting here 288. Then 288 will be multiplied by 45. So you write here 288 multiplied by 45. And as you know, 45 is expanded from 40 plus 5. In first step you multiply 288 by 5, that is 14,440 and in next step you multiply it by 40 and you are getting here 11,520. Now you add both steps and you are getting here 12,960. So therefore altogether there are 12,960 biscuits are in the 45 cartons. Now my dear students, it is the multiplication by the number of 3 digits. Here you have to multiply 36 by 137. So first you write here 36, then 137. As you know, 37 can be written as 100, then 30 plus 7. So first you multiply 36 into 7, that is 252. Again 36 into 30, that is 1080. And then 36 into 100, that is 3600. After adding, we are getting the product 4932. In this way, we can solve the multiplication of 3-digit number. Next, multiplied by 543 by 278. Again in the same process, 543 and 278. Write down here 278 is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 8. First you multiply 543 by 8, that is 4344. Again 543 multiplied by 70, that is 38,010. And then 543 multiplied by 200, that is 1,86,100. Now after adding, we are getting 1,50,954. Again you can write it in this way also, and here the product is also same, that is 1,50,954. Now my dear students, this is the classwork. So many sums are given here. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. This first one is the multiplication. Next one, using the digits 3, 1, 5 only once, write the smallest and the largest 3-digit number and then find the product. Next one, find the product. And fourth one is based on the properties of multiplication. So now take out your copy and try to solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my dear students, it is the answer slide. Whatever I have given you in the classwork. Answer slide is also given. After doing the whole classwork, you will cross check with the help of this answer slide. This is the answer of question number 1, A, B, C, and then question number 2, answer is this one. First you do yourself, then cross check with the help of this slide, and then you will send it on the WhatsApp. Next question is find the product. So many questions are given here. 437 will be multiplied by 211. Process is given here. Next one, all the process are here. With the help of this process, you will solve the whole sums and then cross check it. Cross check it must. If there is any wrong, then you can check your copy with the help of this answers. First you do yourself, then cross check your classwork and then send it to me. My dear student, using the properties of multiplication, this is fill in the blanks. You solve it. Question number A, B, C, D is given. Here 4 into 56 is equal to 224. As you know, there is change in the order but no change in the product. So you can write here 224. Again 73 into 12 is 876. You are changing the order but there is no change in the product. In this way you can solve it with the help of the properties of multiplication. Dear students, now it's the time of homework. This is the word problems based on multiplication. Question number 1 to 10 is given here. My dear students, you read each and every questions carefully. Then you think over it, what it's saying, and then with process solve it. Very easy, but only you give 5 minutes on thinking and then you do in your copy. It already such type of questions you have done. So don't worry that this is difficult. No difficult question is here. If there is any difficulty, then you can ask to me. And the answers of these all questions will be sent in PDF. So do it. Be happy. Okay. Have a nice day.